Hello? Hey! So I think I might have found the one. It is a single family home in Kure Beach. It's right near the Kure Beach Pier, so you have all of the restaurants and the boardwalk attraction. It's in a community that has a pool, so you don't have to maintenance that yourself. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, and the whole ground level is a large suite. So it's going to be absolutely perfect for your mom and when guests come to visit, and I think this could be it. When you want to go check it out.